It sets your imagination on fire if you write a story about why the tubes. The biggest advantage of the replica is that the children can touch it, unlike many of the other exhibits which are behind glass. Lacan, the little girl, returns home after a life-saving treatment and impressing the bench boss.
You played the best game. You played very aggressive.
Good evening. What a frigid day it has been right across the province today. In Edmonton, the warmest temperature was minus 22, and that was around midnight. The coolest temperature, minus 29, and the wind chill did spark warnings right across the province, and some of them do remain in effect. We'll have all your weather details for you.
CTV News, sponsored by 10649. Next Tech on 3 million. Imagine athletes from different sports competing for one gold medal. With the Hyundai Elantra competed against all types of cars across all different classes.
It's not. Hey Princess, I got the kettle. So here we go. Here goes nothing. Ah. Shit, it's working. And I'm hurting myself at the same time. Look at that. Look at that. That's so awesome. Ow. Shit, splashed myself with hot water. That's so cool. That's so awesome. Woohoo! So what do you think of that, huh? Bucket cold. Holy shit, it's cold. Okay, I'm gonna upload this and you tell me what you think, okay? Love you.